Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here. I thought I'd share a quick tutorial today on how you can use scene changes in OBS to enable and disable channel points redemptions on Twitch. This is a handy setup if you have a community who like to spend their points. However, you may not want specific points from your just chatting scene to interrupt your gameplay scene. So the first thing you'll need to make sure is any channel point redemptions you are using on Twitch are created within the redemptions section on the app. This is a limitation from Twitch side of things, so if we need to control the channel points, they need to be created inside Aitum. Once you have created your channel points, you'll then want to group your channel point redemptions that are for your just chatting scene into one group folder on the right hand side. Next, it's time to head to the rules section. Create a new rule, and we want to set up a trigger with OBS as the device and scene changed as the trigger type. Make sure to leave the scene field as blank. Next, we add in an action block at the bottom of the rule. We want to then select this as an if-else type of action. In the top of the action, select variable as your OBS scene, then select equal to and type in the exact matching string of your just chatting scene. Below this, we then want to select Twitch as the device type and enable redemption group as action type. Select the just chatting group we created before at the start of the video. Finally, we then want to add in an action block under else, with Twitch as the device, disable redemption group and then just chatting as the selected option. What this means now is that for every scene change, unless it's just the just chatting scene, the Twitch redemption group will not be enabled. This is very handy if you want to disable channel points, say on your Be Right Back screen, your gaming screen, or even if you're running a charity event and have a scene for promotional videos for that charity. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues or questions, please follow us over on Twitter or join the Discord. Links to both are in the description down below.